How to create small business email marketing easy and fast on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create small business email marketing on Microsoft Word. So first thing you have to do guys is go to Microsoft Word. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. All what you have to do is go to the business option right here and then go down until you find the one that you want. For example, this is the small business email marketing. If you didn't find it, just search for it right here, small business email, for example, and you will find it. Here is it. Now click on it like this and click on this create option right here. Now after you click on create, it will take you to this page. Here you can change the text just by clicking on it, newsletter, and you can change the date. For example, you can change anything right here. You can add or delete whatever you want, and it's very easy actually. So don't forget to like, and you can change here the phone number as you can see. After you finish, click on the save option right here and everything will be done. It's very easy guys. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.